On 27th August 2021, Pitamaha Patriji's handwritten message at Kartal. These are the excerpts from the book Messages from 40 Masters by C. Aruna. The subject of this message is Miyango II. He made me sit and showed me how to meditate. With this frame and foundation of mind, I sat for 7 years of continuous meditation. When I got up, I saw that Sri Hari was not beside me. I just closed my eyes to see where he was. He was in a beautiful world of golden color with astounding beauty all around him. I asked him, "Master, where are you?" He said, "I have created a world of my own and it is wonderful to see you here. How do you feel about yourself now?" I replied, "Sir, I feel much progress and I am peaceful and happy. The question of just wandering for hours in the jungle no longer exists. Sir, now tell me what I should do. I know I am not of the level of creating a world, but I am far better off than the existing people here." Then Sri Hari said, "Every master who learns the ways and means of life should try to educate the people around him with his knowledge. So now you should immediately get up, go, meet people, teach them and tell them about meditation. All need not run to forests for meditation, but they can stay in their respective houses and meditate for a few hours every day for a prosperous, healthy life on earth." Taking the message, I got up and started leaving. I saw that everything around me had changed. I met a friend, a childhood companion of mine, on the way. He looked 60 years old, and when I asked him about the others who were with us, he said, "Long ago there was a major catastrophe of rains, earthquakes, volcanoes and whatnot. At that time many of our people died. I am the only one alive." So what looked like 7 years to me was half a century. My God! I hardly knew anything of such a big catastrophe that occurred and killed every one of my companions, but how difficult to imagine that nothing happened to that person and me. And now he alone was alive out of them all. I felt that his strong urge to live made me survive. So he became my first student. I have been teaching, and teaching has kept my interest so long that I meet people and teach even today. What gives the most pleasure to a master is the spiritual guidance that the aspirant desires, because this alone will be eternally with you. In contrast, material benefits are done away with once you finish a particular incarnation. Good luck and best wishes to Master Patriji and you all. I have come to give you the message because you wanted to know if any master other than the known names in Hindu mythology existed. Yes, many existed and do exist. They are all people who have become highly evolved and enlightened, who looked after the advanced worlds that exist beyond this perception of ability of your present mental capacities. This was accepted by Patriji from the book Messages from 40 Masters by C. Aruna. For more updates, keep watching PMC English and do visit our website www.pmcenglish.com. Like, subscribe and share this video.